Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the word dispatch. You might have heard it used in business, logistics, or even news, but what does it actually mean? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use dispatch in different situations. Let's get started. So what does dispatch mean? Dispatch generally means to send something or someone to a particular place for a specific purpose. It can be used in various contexts, like sending packages, workers, or even messages. It can also mean dealing with something or handling tasks efficiently. Example: the company will dispatch the package tomorrow. Here, dispatch is used to mean send off or ship something, typically something like a product or a letter. Let's look at some more examples to see how dispatch is used. The team was dispatched to fix the broken pipes. The dispatcher sent the delivery driver to the customer's address. She dispatched the email early in the morning. In these examples, dispatch refers to sending someone or something to a specific location or handling something quickly. Now you might be wondering, when do I use dispatch? You can use dispatch in many situations, like logistics, when talking about sending goods or shipments; communication, when sending a message or information; task management, when assigning tasks or responsibilities. For example, in logistics, dispatch is used to describe the act of sending a delivery. In a work setting, dispatching a task could mean you've assigned or dealt with it. Example: the technician was dispatched to repair the system. Quick recap: dispatch means to send something or someone for a particular purpose. It can also mean handling or completing tasks quickly. It's commonly used in shipping, communication, and business settings. Now that you know what dispatch means, you can use it when talking about sending things, assigning tasks, or handling responsibilities efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful English lessons. Drop a comment below if you want me to explain more words or phrases. See you next time, and keep learning.